From Gessner Road, continue driving east on the I-10 feeder road. Gradually merge into the left lane as you approach the entrance ramp to the main lanes. The Katy Tollway ends at the Northwest Transit Center or just before the I-610 West Loop, a relatively short distance. However, with the heavy congestion on the main lanes, many find it worthwhile. Even when traffic isn't heavy, the tollway often provides a smoother drive. As long as I'm able to complete the maneuver, I use it almost every time. As you approach the main lanes, turn on your left turn signal. To enter the Katy Tollway, you will need to cross 5 main lanes of traffic rather quickly, so keep your signal on throughout the maneuver. Pay close attention to your blind spots as you change lanes, and ensure each lane change is made safely. The sixth and final lane is the entrance to the Katy Tollway. Continue straight to enter. At this point, you have successfully entered, and the tollway will let you bypass the congestion between Gessner Road and its terminus.